I try to keep my foundation as natural and as blended as I can. Obviously ይሄንን ሁሉ ነገር ከማረጋችሁ በፊት you have to get your perfect match አይደለ? your perfect match ደግሞ ለማግኘት ስቶር ሄዳችሁ ማች አርጉኝ በሉ። እኔ አሁን የሲቪኤስ ምናም ታርጌት ያለ ነገር ማላነሳው because they don't have an option of opening something and trying it, swatching it. እንዴት ነው አንድ ሰው bottle ላይ አይቶ oh this is my skin tone, this fits me ብሎ የሚገዛው? ለኔ አይገባኝም። ስለዚህ I don't even bother doing drugstore makeup ለኔ it's nothing. I'm sorry. On the basi side I'm going to use it using a sponge, okay? Like I said, it's a dumb sponge. I put more because I know the product is going to get sucked up per usual because of sponge, you know? Pick all the product. You see? Now go to town with it. You see how easy that is? The blending, the beginners, I feel like using a sponge is so much easier. ብቻ አጽዱት because I don't want you to be out here breaking out and stuff. But hey sponge እንዴት አሪፍ እንደሆነ. Whenever you feel like you want to blend more, spray. ከዛ በኋላ go ahead and blend. See? And just like that, you have a flawless foundation application. ሌላ ምንም ነገር የለው። ይሄ ነው የሚያስፈልገው. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.